Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Verify eligibility through UNI-Days or your university email address today. Visit your school portal to confirm current enrollment status if needed. Keep your student ID or proof of enrollment ready for verification before you shop. Sign in with your university email to access the Apple Education Store and personalized pricing. Allow a few minutes for verification to complete through the student platform. If UNI-Days requires a document upload, use a clear photo of your student ID. Maintain consistent account names to prevent verification delays or mismatched records. Compare prices on the Apple Education Store and authorized retailers before buying. Review trade-in estimates to reduce the final Airpods cost immediately. Look for bundle savings, trade-in estimates, and limited seasonal promos that stack with student pricing. Check retailer student portals like UNI-Days and student discount programs for additional coupons. Confirm that the Airpods model you want is eligible for education pricing or separate promotions. Add potential tax differences into your comparison to see the true final price. Decide between newer models and certified refurbished units for better value. Sign into the Education Store and complete checkout with your verified account. Select the Airpods model and confirm that the student price appears at checkout. Use trade-in, student promo codes, and store financing to lower the price responsibly. Choose Apple Care or warranty options only if they align with your budget and plans. Keep receipts and save confirmation emails for returns or price adjustments later. Inspect the shipment immediately to confirm serials and condition match your order details. Register the Airpods to your Apple ID to enable warranty and loss protection.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.